Palm Review. Today I am going to show you how to download an MP3 or any music from YouTube or any video actually from all the video provider worldwide. This is the app called TubeMate, worldwidetubemate.net, and then there are many certificate sites, and I suggest you click at the up to down side here, and then you click the green button here. It will downloading file to your download. It is safe and I use it for many years, so don't be worried about adware or ransomware or virus. It is very safe. Now let's wait for it. Okay, it's just 8 megabytes and I will install it. After the installation, please remember to deselect the install you have granted for the app. Search the install in the setting and scroll down to not allow from this sort here. You must do that. So no app will be allowed to install any APK in your phone. Okay, now let's open the TubeMate app. Now let's open the TubeMate app. When you open it app, it may be an ad pop up, but it will be pop up at the only beginning of the apps, and there are the apps as the YouTube usually show way before the video or in the video, but there are very less apps than the normal YouTube app. And let's see, I will open the NCS music to demonstrate how to download. Let me turn on the sound first. You can see the red button here in the lower right. You click the red button here, it will passing the video, and you can have the option of your choice. The upper is the video. You can download the entire video for the maximum of the quality, or you can download the audio in the type of your choice. Normally I download the MP3 audio here, and you click the red button again. It will pop up the ID3 text, so you can click album. It is actually NCS. It will also download album art here if you check box the little box below. So you click OK, and it will download it. Sometimes it will download another encoder called MP3 encoder. Is free and it is in the Play Store. So now it's complete. Let's see. I will search the video by the time descending here. Now the download is complete. It is in the post-processing. You can click to the post-processing here by click the post-processing, and it will pop up in the notification. The notification is here. You can see MP3 video converter is converting. It is about 2 times of the speed of the music. Let's say this is a 3-minute music, so it will take about 1.5 minutes. Okay, it's complete now. From the music icon here, when you click to the item here, it will pop up the music player here. Let's say just one. Now you get the MP3. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely Now you can download MP3 from any video in the YouTube. Let's see. I want to download the Alan Walker Spectre. Here, you can click the Alan Walker and you can click download. Easy as that. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you found this video was benefit to you. And thank you. See you again next video. Bye.